इस वक्त निगरान वजीर इत्तलात मुर्तज़ा सोलंगी तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Private sector and civil society to collectively identify the most pressing civic issues in the country in order to attempt to later develop digital solutions for those problems. Localized digital solution for local civic problems, as you put it. In Pakistan, there's still a lot of potential to focus on developing innovative local solutions. However, the problems are often identified in isolation by the public sector. Thus, I believe that this more participatory approach of conducting a problem identification conference and later a civic hackathon will provide more sustainable results. The government of Pakistan now recognizes the increasing need and advantage of a culture of evidence-based decision-making that's participatory, meaning that it engages citizens, and that's need-based, so to ensure the effective allocation of resources. In this regard, I believe that ultimately this process will help to improve public service delivery, bridge the digital divide, and strengthen local governments. In my opinion, local governments are not only custodians of such digital solutions, but also the main drivers of change at a local level across the country. Throughout my own personal experience and understanding, there is no democracy without local government. All those countries who have touched the zenith of development have done so by empowering local government. That probably has been one of our major problems in our political history. Thank God that during the 18th Amendment, we amended Article 140 and added another sub-article called 140A. And I quote, "Each province shall, by law, establish a local government system and devolve political, administrative, and financial responsibility and authority to the elected representatives of the local government."